title of our project is Machine Learning Framework for Biometric Authentication using Electrocardiogram. Myself Shravya. Coming to the abstract, this project introduces the framework, how to adapt and adjust the machine learning techniques, construct the electrocardiogram using biometric authentication. Coming to the introduction, application system using internet access now becoming identifying persons with their own body is becoming trends. We have using hospitals and wearable devices and security.
Myself Nilima, I am here to explain system analysis. Coming to existing system, a small change in the noise band which will cause a major effect by producing unreliable and false waveforms. To avoid the drawbacks of existing system, we are going to the proposed system. In proposed system, 4 new measured metrics and measures, and additional platform we are providing MATLAB. So it can help us in providing the exact waveforms, and it can measure the accuracy of training and testing data.
Coming to architecture of the system architecture, it consists of training phase and testing phase. And modules of this is gathering data, data preparation, data wrangling, data analysis of data, training the data, and testing the data. Coming to gathering the data, it is a major step in the machine learning. And data preparation consists of data exploration and data preprocessing. Data wrangling is nothing but missing values, duplicate data, and invalid data. Data analysis is nothing but it consists of classification, regression, cluster analysis. Training model is nothing but where we will train the data set, and test model is nothing but we'll test the data set.
Myself Bhavani, I am going to explain about implementation. To implement anything, we have to follow some steps. First, in data collection, we have to collect the data. Data pre-processing, we have to pre-process the data. Feature extraction, we have to extract the relevant features from the pre-processed data. Data split, we have to split the data into 2 parts, training data and testing data. Model selection, we have to choose the appropriate algorithms from machine learning. Model training, we have to train the model by using training set. Model evaluation, we have to evaluate the model by using testing phase.